The battlefield fell eerily silent just moments before the first Ukrainian SIGNUM FPV drone appeared in the sky. Low-flying and almost invisible against the gray clouds, the drone marked the beginning of another deadly chapter in the ongoing combat zone, where Russian soldiers found themselves hunted one by one with chilling precision. According to frontline reports, the SIGNUM FPV drones were deployed during a critical phase of fighting when Russian units attempted to reposition along exposed routes. What they did not realize was that Ukrainian operators were already watching every movement in real time, their screens glowing inside concealed command posts.
Куда?
The drones move fast and with ruthless efficiency, darting between ruined buildings, shattered tree lines, and abandoned vehicles. Each maneuver was deliberate, guided by operators trained to exploit even the smallest mistake made by enemy troops on open ground. Russian soldiers were reportedly scattered across the area, some seeking cover in shallow trenches hastily dug into frozen soil, others attempting to retreat through damaged supply routes littered with wreckage. Every movement they made, whether crawling, running, or freezing in fear, was carefully observed. The SIGNUM FPV drones lingered above like silent predators, waiting for the exact moment to strike as panic began to fracture unit cohesion. Witnesses described the psychological impact as overwhelming and relentless. The faint buzzing sound overhead grew louder and closer, echoing through ruined villages and forest edges, creating an atmosphere of constant dread. Soldiers reportedly shouted warnings to each other, but confusion spread faster than coordination, turning disciplined formations into scattered individuals struggling to survive. Military analysts say the SIGNUM FPV system represents a dramatic evolution in drone warfare. These drones are not just weapons but tools of dominance, combining speed, extreme agility, and instant battlefield feedback. Once an operator selects a target, the drone responds with terrifying responsiveness, adjusting its flight path in real time to counter evasive maneuvers. Unlike traditional aerial threats, the FPV drones fly low and fast, weaving through rubble, tree lines, and narrow corridors between destroyed structures. Their small size and unpredictable movement patterns make them nearly impossible to track visually, leaving soldiers with only seconds to react, often too late. As the operation intensified, Russian military communications reportedly collapsed under pressure. Frantic radio transmissions warned of incoming drones from multiple directions, but overlapping alerts and disrupted command chains rendered many orders useless. Some units attempted to deploy electronic countermeasures, only to find them ineffective or too slow to respond. Footage released after the engagement showed chilling scenes of drones pursuing individual soldiers across open terrain. The drones adjusted course mid-flight, following sudden turns and desperate sprints, demonstrating a level of precision that shocked even seasoned observers. Each clip reinforced the sense that nowhere was truly safe. Ukrainian officials later stated that the strikes were designed to paralyze enemy movement and dismantle morale rather than capture territory. By targeting isolated troops and exposed routes, the SIGNUM FPV drones forced Russian forces into defensive paralysis, unable to advance, retreat, or regroup without risk. On the Russian side, the aftermath was described as chaotic and demoralizing. Surviving troops reportedly abandoned equipment, vehicles, and ammunition in their haste to withdraw. Forward positions were evacuated under constant fear that the drones would return at any moment, turning every pause into a tense waiting game. Defense experts point out that such operations reveal a growing asymmetry in modern warfare. Inexpensive, highly adaptable drone systems are now capable of neutralizing larger, traditionally equipped forces. The psychological strain imposed by constant aerial threat, they argue, can erode combat effectiveness faster than sustained artillery fire. As darkness fell, the battlefield offered no relief. The SIGNUM drones continued operating using thermal and low-light capabilities, detecting body heat and movement beneath foliage and debris. Soldiers attempting to hide under cover discovered that darkness no longer guaranteed concealment. The night became a test of endurance and nerve. Each distant sound triggered fear, each shadow suggested an approaching drone. Sleep was nearly impossible as soldiers remained alert, knowing that a single mistake could draw deadly attention from above. International observers have warned that the rapid expansion of FPV drone warfare could redefine future conflicts. Battles are increasingly decided by situational awareness, remote operators, and split-second decisions made far from the front line. For those trapped in the combat zone, the reality was brutally clear. The sky had transformed into a hostile domain where even silence felt threatening, and survival depended on avoiding detection rather than confronting the enemy directly. As the conflict continues, the deployment of Ukrainian SIGNUM FPV drones stands as a stark symbol of modern warfare's unforgiving nature. In this new era, soldiers are no longer just fighting those they can see, they are fighting the unseen, ever-watchful eyes above, where death can arrive without warning.
Дякую.